Upset the balance. Understanding its impact in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase often used in English, upset the balance. This expression is not just about tipping scales. It's about the delicate equilibrium in various aspects of life. So, if you're ready, let's explore what it means to upset the balance and how you can use this phrase in your everyday conversations. The phrase, upset the balance, refers to disturbing or altering a state of equilibrium or stability. It can be used in various contexts, from ecology to personal relationships. When something upsets the balance, it disrupts the harmony and often requires adjustment or intervention to restore stability. 1. Nature and environment. In environmental terms, introducing a new species to an ecosystem can upset the balance. This means the new species might dominate, leading to unforeseen changes in the ecosystem's dynamics. 2. Work-life balance. In personal lives, taking on too much work can upset the balance between professional and personal time, often leading to stress or burnout. 3. Economics. In economics, sudden market changes can upset the balance of supply and demand, potentially leading to inflation or recession. Nature. The introduction of non-native plants has upset the balance of the local ecosystem. Personal life. Working late nights has really upset the balance of my daily routine. Economy. The sudden drop in oil prices upset the balance of the international markets. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few. Disrupt the equilibrium, disturb the harmony, unbalance the scales, shake up the status quo. Today, we explored the phrase, upset the balance, and its versatile applications in our lives. Whether it's about nature, personal life, or economics, understanding this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writings. We hope this video helps you in grasping the essence of this expression. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.